Hello, it's me, and after having taken a little time off, I'm back with another unboxing. Something to just kind of play around with, and this one comes from Twisty-Tex. Always a winner. Open other side, that's right. Opening the boxes are just as much of a puzzle. Okay. All right. My cut was true. And let's see what he's got over here. Oh, good, we have a description. This is a 5x5x7 cubic bump cuboid. It's a lot of cubes in one sentence. Anyway, so this is from a Shengshou 7x7. A cuboid was created by first bandaging the 7x7 base cube into a 5x5x7, then gluing 3D printed extensions to create a bumped cuboid. The faces are bumped in the shape of 3 millimeters. It's not the first 5x5x7, that's true. There's others that exist, built by modders. And this gets into the history, I guess. Yachu Bailey in 2018, and others might have made the same. However, I do believe that the first fully cubic version, this is the first cubic version of the 5x5x7. Special thanks to Dan Fast, Crazy Bad Cuber, for encouraging me to build this cuboid. Hope you enjoy my puzzle. So, let's see what this is and give it a whirl. So, Twisty-Tex is, as you know, synonymous with quality. And that's what we've got here. So 5x5x7. The bumping is nice because I can. It's easy to see. Excellent. So 5x5x7. It's a shape-shifting cuboid, not an ultimate shapeshifter, but a shape-shifting cuboid. So as you can see, it does that. Yep. And it scrambles pretty well. Okay, thought I had it scrambled there. Let's try. Well, I can't really do a checker. Well, we can do something of a checkerboard pattern here, but you can see how the bumping comes out, and I like this because it's not a subtle bumping. It's pretty well bumped. And just in time for Halloween, as things that go bump in the night. And I can do whatever dad joke I want, so if it elicited any groans, well, deal with it. Anyway, so here's the closest thing to I guess a checkerboard pattern. Works pretty well here, actually. Okay, so this is bumped nicely. This has a really nice look to it. And if I were to do something more of a full scramble, it would look like that. Okay, so the thing about a 5x5x7 is it's really just it's a bandaged 7x7, so we have to vary out our strategies a little bit. But there it is. Very nicely executed. Very well designed, and again, you see that quality here is it looks almost like it's plastic molded, just the way that things are put together. So this will be a lot of fun to scramble, a lot of fun to solve, and I love variations on themes that I have had and have tried in the past. So we'll see what comes out of this, because it's something of could be something of a dilemma based upon doing this by shape as opposed to color. So there it is. Twisty-Tex, once again, thanks for the opportunity to play around with this. So what are the things that scare you? And as this is a Halloween theme-based unboxing with something that goes bump in the night, but in addition to that, what is it that really makes me nervous? Well, for me, it's whatever might come out of a box that I just might not be able to solve, or that I might have to throw in the towel. What kind of a puzzle might that be? What kind of a complexity is that? Well, let's see if this actually does it. So this is from Nathan Wilson via Twisty-Tex. And this is a puzzle that actually has gotten me a little bit nervous, just because there's a history with this. So let's open this up and see what it is that actually keeps me awake at night. What might come out of this box that will otherwise render me paralyzed in fear. Now, I really hate to go through Nathan Wilson's other end logo here, but I think I'm supposed to do that. So I will, with utmost respect. Now, I've got a number of puzzles from Nathan, and he is one of the most detailed, intricate modders, cube modders, that I know. All right, so what could it be? What is going to come out of this box that might actually be the puzzle that causes me to throw in the towel? Let's find out. Okay, so we have some some information here. The Chaos Rhombic Tricuntahedron Petaminx. So this is his little lead-in over here. You see some of his other work. 4 months. 4 months. That's how long I've spent building what will likely be the biggest single Twisty Puzzle modification I've ever completed. My first futile attempt at a project this size was using an original MF8 Teraminx, and I barely got halfway through the initial shaping process before encountering an irreparable issue with the center caps. 6 years went by before I decided to reattempt the puzzle and up the ante by using the Teraminx's bigger brother, the Shengshao Petaminx. I can't even imagine what it's like to make these puzzles, to design these puzzles, to do that kind of modification. It's skill beyond anything that I can even comprehend. So, let's see what we've got. Okay, we've got our typical box that the Petaminx comes in. And let's see what we got. Maybe it has to come up from this end, or maybe this end. I think it might be taped shut. Aha, no, just standard. And oh my gosh. This is incredible. Wow. So I've often described puzzles as maybe works of art because that's what they look like. The complexity is just incredible. I mean, look at the sticker pattern here. The movement is incredible. The movement is top notch. Every layer. It's got sort of a rounded look, and my experience with rounded puzzles is alignment can sometimes be challenging just because it's got to be exactly aligned. See, that's over there. So I'll see if there is an issue with that. Okay, line this up. Now, I think one of the biggest challenges with this puzzle is going to be the color scheme. It's one thing to solve a Petaminx. It's another thing to solve a Super Petaminx. And it's another thing to solve a Super Petaminx where you're not sure what goes where. We see different layers here. It's an interesting and creative color scheme. There's his initials here. So here's one quote-unquote side. Some sides have one color. Some sides have two colors. Some sides have three colors. They're not true sides, but there you have it. So when studying it, I'm looking to see there's different shades of green, different shades of purple, different shades of red. Some of them are very subtle, but I think I can use the centerpiece to do my reductive process. So this is scary. And to be honest with you, usually with a puzzle like this, I don't start right off with a scramble. I actually study it a little bit and just see what kind of pieces that I have here. Ultimately, it's just a matter of reducing these centers, and then reducing the edges, and then solving it as I would a Megaminx. But this is going to take some commitment, I believe. This is going to take some time constraint. And look at these tiny pieces here. How he got those stickers on there, I don't know. I hope they're secured on there because when I solve puzzles, I tend to go at it. Now, I'm looking and we can see right out of the box, there is a sticker that's not here. So maybe that came off in the process, and there's a sticker not over here as well. It's not surprising because I think that this has had a variety of different destinations. Let me just take a look, see if there's any sign of loose stickers. And I'm seeing something here. Yeah, right over here. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm seeing something right over here, which might be a lost sticker. So I think maybe before scrambling it, I'm going to search that out. Because if I don't have the sticker configuration, and it turns out that the color that I'm looking at kind of resembles the sticker piece that's here. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so what I might do is before scrambling it, and I promise I will scramble it, is I might see about these stickers, or if I don't see about them, just understand what color they may be. So if I can't find a piece, and it's going to take a while to find some of these pieces, I might try my hand at putting these stickers on. So there you have it. This is the Chaos Rhombic Tricuntahedron, and yes, I am totally frightened. I am scared stiff with this because I do not like to disassemble puzzles. I do not like to reassemble puzzles. It's not my bag. I don't like looking at the insides, and I don't find it rewarding to put them back together. So once I scramble this, there is no coming back. I've got to see it all the way until I get this solved. So there you have it. This is what scares me the most about puzzles, to find something that's so complex that I just might not be able to get it back, and I might have to throw in the towel. We'll have to see. Anyway, have a nice Halloween. Be safe, be healthy, and I thank Twisty Tex for bringing it my way, and of course Nathan for just your brilliance in terms of design. As always, thanks for watching.